In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize the report charting feature. Now, one of the really cool things about Project Insight is that you can view your projects in several different ways. It can really be customized to your preferences. In this particular one, I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart for this particular project. I've already opened up an existing project report, and from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the filter. You're going to leave your things in here that you want, but in this particular one, we're going to want to see how many projects each primary project manager has. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll on down here to charting and select charting. And I'm going to click this drop down and choose a custom chart, not predefined. And we're just going to call this primary PM. The chart type that I want for this one in particular is a pie chart. And in the aggregate by, this is where you're going to choose what you want it to show. So I want to go by the primary project manager. Now from here, once I've selected those items, I'm simply going to run the report to generate that view. And now you can see this primary project manager chart for this particular view of the report. You can also, if you want to still view the list with it, you can click here and select Include Table Results when displaying charts. And now you can see the table and the pie chart in the same space here on this project report. This is a quick video on how to create pie charts in Project Insight reporting.